Friends, how are you? Please comment tell me you. Today, Samsung Galaxy A21 all specifications. A21s all specifications. Samsung Galaxy A21s was launched by the company on Friday in London. The phone had seen quite a few leaks in the last few days, after which Samsung Galaxy has gone official with the phone. It comes with a Samsung is Infinity Infinity O display, a quad camera setup, and 500 5000 mAh battery. Samsung is a upcoming mid-range phone. Also comes with a Dolby Atmos audio. The phone will innately, innately be available in the UK and will then go on sale other parts of the world including India. Samsung Galaxy A21s specifications. Samsung Galaxy A21s features a 6.5 inches HD plus 720p into 600 1600 pixel Infinity O display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. It runs on One UI on top of Android 10. The phone is powered by an octa-core processor paired with 3G of RAM and 32 GB of included storage. The storage is extendable using a micro SD card up to 512 GB. The Samsung Galaxy A21s comes with a quad camera at the back. The camera includes a 48 megapixel primary sensor with a front 2.0 aperture and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with a front 2.2 aperture, a 2 megapixel front 2.4 depth sensor and a 2 megapixel micro lens with a front 2.4 aperture for selfies. It has a 30 megapixel sensor with a front 2.2 aperture. It also comes with an LED flash. The People packs a 5000 mAh battery with a 15 watts fast charger support. It comes with a rear fingerprint sensor and a facial recognition technology. The dimension of the phone are 75.3 into 663 163.6 into 8.9 mm. Samsung Galaxy A21s sale price. Samsung Galaxy A21s will go on sale in the UK starting June 19. Price of the phone starts at GBP 179, roughly 16,500 rupees in Indian currency. The availability of the phone in India is unknown so far. The color options for the phone include black, white, and blue colors variant. Finally, Samsung Galaxy display 6.50 inches, process 2 GHz octa-core processor, front camera 13 megapixel, rear camera 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. RAM 3 GB RAM. Storage 32 GB storage. Battery capacity 5000 mAh battery capacity. OS Android 10 OS. Resolution 720 into 1600 pixel. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget, please subscribe to my channel.